Alright, this is Game Savant playing Dirty Bomb, the beta. Alright, so let's see what this is about. This is a huge map. I think we're doing 8 on 8. Still trying to get accustomed to this keyboard situation. Alright, let's see. Extra.
Then stop them from delivering EMP charges to the servers.
Mm-hmm.
Don't let them get the EV to the objective.
Alright, so I'm on the defender squad over here. Alright, deploy. Konnichiwa. And all I'm trying to do is not die. So I have no idea what they're talking about. I'm just gonna be running around shoot people. I'm trying not to kill myself. So Skyhammer. So who do I start with? Press space to deploy now. Alright. Okay, so Skyhammer. Change the weapons. Left to shoot. Right to scope. Forward. That's to move forward. That's to move back. To move left. To move right. What does he do? I should go back and pick that up. Okay. So back up. Let's see what else he do. Okay, that squats down. The space jump. Let's see. Space jumps. Okay. I see. Most of these games are sort of the same. What they do. Oh, what's that? Can I pick that up? Okay. All right. And I think let's see. Shift to one. Yep, shift to one. Controls to crouch. Crouch temporarily. Let's see, this is the crouch. Okay, alright, so I think I'm out of Bluetooth on it. Not sure. Okay, move. Relax, relax. And first spend 15 seconds. Spectating. I don't want to spectate. Okay, can I move? Okay, 1, 0. Best place to deploy now. Okay. Let's get going. Ooh, right. Jump, 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 jump. Let's find somewhere to kill. Alright, and the first one is in 20 seconds. Oh boy. This stuff reminds me of this Tom Clancy thing I was just playing. Let's see called Ghost. Is that me doing that? No, that's not me doing that. I'm dumb crap trying to jump up there. Ghost Recon. Let's press space to deploy. Okay. Yeah, so we can do that. Jump, jump, jump. Come on, jump, 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 jump. Jump, jump, jump. Man, I'm probably gonna stay here and get killed. Why? While I'm trying to do this. Yeah, well, it's good to see I'm not the only one who's having difficulty with that. Oh, can we go around here? Okay, alright, well there's a bunch of people here. So let's go with these fellows. Crouch. Okay, well, where's the EV that was supposed to be? Getting cover over here. This dude is a badass. Whew. Oh, they're running around. Okay, well, I guess I stayed alive long enough that they didn't live. I spawned right back. Okay. So, hop over this. Look at me. Alright. Let's go over here. Is that not the shift key? I'm gonna go back to work. Go through here. Long defense bonus. Ah, look at that. Okay, so I'm trying to position myself properly so I can do some shit. I'm throwing away ammo. Oh, man. Someone's gonna come for me sooner or later. I'm sure. Oh, I died. Alright. Wake up. I'm back here. Wake up. I got points for staying alive. Staying alive. Staying alive. Thing is, I suck at these controls. These controls I straight up suck at. That's my oof. Should we? Okay. Man. I suck at this stuff, alright. Alright, redeploy. Forward, backwards, left to right. Forward, backwards, left to right. Jump. Shift on the outside. Okay, so shift. Makes us run. Okay. Look. Try to kill a dude. It didn't work. Fastest labby, whatever. Big explosions everywhere. Ah, so someone's helping me up, okay. Thank you, Mountain Twig. Sweet. Okay, get to the side. Alright. Get to the side and relax. I keep deploying Buddhas by mistake. How about in here? Sooner or later someone's gonna stick their head in here. We'll get him. But nah, if we stay there long enough, we would die ourselves. So I don't know how to pick people. Woohoo! Somebody dropped a grenade on me. Man. Okay. That person is just like me. Can't even see, I guess. Ooh, okay, wait. Wow. That person is a badass. Wait, I'm still alive. What the hell? How stupid was I? I thought she killed me. Okay. Okay. Getting a little better at this. Getting a little better. Okay. Stick your head in the window and go back. Did I get that person? Oh, the grenade. Oh man, get away from it. Okay, now they killed me. Okay, but I'm doing so well. Let I respawn right away. I'm digging this. I'm digging this. Okay, so let's shift. Hop over this. Get to the fray. Can I hop over this? No, not quite. Okay. Good. I guess I blew myself up. Oh, they blew me up, brother. Okay, hop over. Shift. Who the hell is shooting at me? Wow. Man. Alright, it's getting pretty hairy over here. Space to deploy. Okay, is this over? Mercilessly? We won?
Made that look hard work.
Yeah, I don't know how we did that, but hey, thank you to all the other team players. Nice, very nice, very nice. Thank you, thank you.